This is Gian Bavaro, your favorite residential and commercial mortgage broker right here in sunny South Florida. I get this question all the time. What are the pros and cons of a cash out refinance? Stay tuned and I'll let you know. All right, everybody. So, cash out refinances. First of all, let's talk about what are cash out refinances, how it might benefit you, and how it might be detrimental to you. I'm going to share some things with you that other people in the industry may not want you to know, but I'm just going to call it like it is, so you have all the information available, and you decide if a cash out refinance is right for you. Now, what is a cash out refinance? Well, it allows you to take cash out of the equity of your home and actually get it as cash really for any reason. So if you're looking to, for example, pay off some credit card debt, student loan debt, car payments, even if you're looking to lower your mortgage interest rate, you could do a cash out refinance. And so the way it works, I'll give you an example. Let's say your home is worth $1 million today. So let's say you don't owe anything on your home, but you have $50,000 of credit card debt, you have $150,000 of student loan debt, and you have another $50,000 on car loans. So 150 plus the 50 plus the 50 equals $250,000. You can get a loan against your home for the $250,000 cash, typically as a 30-year fixed loan or a 15 or even a 20-year loan, and you can get that usually at a fixed rate over a long period of time. And you can use that cash to then pay off all of your debt. So let's pretend your monthly payments are $10,000 a month for your debt. And let's say your mortgage payment for the new cash out refinance is only $2,500 per month. In this instance, you're actually saving $7,500 per month. I don't know about you, but that is a lot of money to be saving on a monthly basis. So, when does a cash out refinance make sense? Well, the first thing is, are you going to benefit from the cash out refinance? Are you going to use that cash for a good reason, such as paying down debt, or are you going to use that to invest, whether that's in real estate, in the stock market, or even in cryptocurrency? So those are all things that you need to look at. So let's talk about investing in real estate. Let's pretend you're getting a cash out refinance and your interest rate is 5%. And you find a property where you're going to make 20%. That's 20%. If you take the 20%, and that's your return after expenses, right? Your 20%. And then you account for the mortgage, which is 5%, that gives you an actual return of 15%. So you're going to make 15% on your money in this example by getting the money at 5% and using that to purchase a property that will make you 20%. Those are just imaginary numbers, but it's to give you an example as to how you would look at whether or not you should get a cash out refinance. Now, what are the cons of a cash out refinance? Why would you not want a cash out refinance? Well, first and foremost, there are closing costs. So your loan balance does increase by we have to pay off any current loans that you have on your property. And so let's say you have a really low interest rate on your current mortgage, and let's say your interest rate is 2% currently, and you're doing a cash out refinance, and the new rate will be 5%. Well, obviously, you're going to get a higher rate. You're going to get some cash, yes, but you're going to possibly lose your lower interest rate. And if you don't really have a good reason to use that cash, well, that might be another con. You may not want to spend the closing costs in order to get access to that money, because maybe it just wouldn't be worth it. If you're getting a cash out refinance and you're not using it wisely, well, then you may not want to get a cash out refinance. So at the end of the day, it just has to benefit you. It has to make sense. You do need to have equity in your home, and the numbers all just have to pan out. So if you'd like me to take a look at your individual situation and see whether or not a cash out refinance makes sense, just give me a call. Gian Bavaro, your senior mortgage broker here in sunny South Florida. My number is 954-334-3670. Thank you so much.